Hi guys, it's Henry from IFE here. So today we're going to talk about ISAs and SIPPs and what are the benefits of using both and which may be better for you to contribute to if you're an expat returning to the UK or if you're a UK personnel looking for tax options. So first of all, going to cover what are the two. So a SIPP's a self-invested personal pension scheme. You can contribute up to £40,000 into that each year, tax efficient, and you get 20% extra depending on your tax band as a basic rate payer. ISAs, you have a few, but we'll cover the basic ISA, stocks and shares. ISA, you can contribute up to £20,000 tax efficiently, and you can invest it as you want, the same with the SIPP. So which is better? So obviously, if it's not a lifetime ISA that you can do under 30, where the government tops up £25,000, 25% up to £4,000, you're going to get better beneficiaries from the SIPPs from a tax perspective because the government tops it up if you're a basic rate taxpayer to 20%. You have a larger increase per year of 40,000 in the SIPPs to 20,000 in your ISA. But where it does differ is the liquidity in it. So the liquidity in the stocks and shares ISA is different if you are using different ISAs, such as the lifetime ISA, is you can have access to it. With the SIPPs, you can only take out 25% at 55. And then it's dependent on the rates and how much you've got invested in your age ongoing. So if you're looking for more income options, or you may need the income, and ISA is a better option if you're just looking for tax efficient options and looking to increase it, and you don't need the liquidity in the cash, maybe a SIPPs is a better option. If you do want more information on platforms, about what are the investment options out there or how to build a portfolio in a SIPP or an ISA, feel free to get in touch at info@investmentforexpats.com.